Tara, let's go. Ta. Merong
Wala na.
gaming room.
I'm running away.
Ito, kwarto ko. Oy,
What are you doing, Sprout? At Cosmo? Where's Cosmo? Why you're standing on that thing? He saw that. Sprout saw that. I'm sorry, Sprout. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Cosmo. I'm sorry.
uray.
Hi. What are you doing? Are you a strawberry? Bruh. Bro. How many times Enough! Oh my god, I'm stuck with these cookies. I'm sorry, Ginger. I don't let you in because... I saw that. Ow. The bell. What is this?
Bruh.
Oh, there's no fishing rod. Are you seriously? I'm going to fish. Bro, there's a fishing rod.
Are you waiting for get back now?
Ayan, kuya.
Yun.
Back
Oh.
back.
Yes.
Patagula. Mali na ba? Let's go.
I love fishing. I wish we can fish in real life.
Sabay.
Ay, ano?
Ay,
nawala
sayang.
ako. Are we going to read from this? Sprout. Ay, kala ko sa akin eh. Diyos ko. Oh.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Ang tagal.
Ay, sa'yo yan.
Yes!
Oh, di
Ito
ba?
favorite ko. Oh, ay, kala ko sa akin ay Diyos ko.
Kanina pa ako sa akin.
Ako din. Meron. Sana meron ako baby fish. Pero oh, meron ako puffer fish.
Puffer fish.
Ikaw.
Ay. Oh, wait.
Yes.
Let's get cooked. 3 pieces.
We need sana meron tayo fire camp kasi pwede yun nag-work. Tagal. Bilisan! Kuya, saan ka? Hindi hanggang dito, lapit-lapit. Saan yung dito? Ayan.
Ano ba yan?
Fishing. Well. There we go. Another puffin fish. I'm just going to put it here.
Fish.
I can get you from that. Oh, ano to? Nakuha ko to. Ito. Ito yun o. Nakuha ko
Ah?
to.
Oh. Ay, ganito mag-practice mag-PvP. Get random.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ayaw kong dami yun.
Oh, di ba? Galing ko, no?
Bakit?
Ganito pag-survive. Battle, oh.
Tagal yung fishing ko. Nagugutom na ako.
I'm going to mansion. Hindi ko na Liana.